In this video, we will discuss selecting whether or not the handpiece light turns on during endo functions on a CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then enter the Settings menu. From there, select Equipment. Next, select Delivery. Scroll down to Delivery Setup. Then scroll down to IOLS Endo. Here you can choose whether or not the handpiece light turns on during endo functions. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.